Forest has always satisfied multiple needs of mankind. It is a carbon and biodiversity reservoir. Today, more than ever, we must exploit forests and their products sustainably. But how to achieve this? A tree has multiple uses. Trunks with large diameters and fine quality are used for carpentry, wood framing, or wooden packaging. Branches are an energy source. Remnants and sawdust become paper, paperboard, or wood panels. At the end of the cycle, these products can be recycled. Supply chain summarizes this process during which materials flow from resources to consumers. If a sole link is weak, the supply chain might break and threaten the sustainability of the whole process. Consider the situation in France. Wood industry exports logs. Instead of producing sawing within the country, France imports it. Here, the weak link is sawmill facilities, or rather the lack of them. Importation is currently the only solution, and this leads to another shortcoming. In case of import disruption, the supply chain breaks again. Detecting a weak link in a supply chain is generally a difficult task. Global picture of supply chain is often hard to grasp, and each player sees only their own link, but not its articulations with those who are also involved in the overall material flow process. Thus, smaller the territory, bigger the issue of assembling a global picture. Fortunately, that is exactly what Terriflux does. It provides a global picture of supply chains. Assembling such a picture is complex, and it all stems from the data. Coming from numerous sources, the data is incomplete in classifications or units. Terriflux overcomes these difficulties and strives to reconcile incoherent data and complete the missing ones. Its secret? Two methodologies: AF Filières and Open Sankey, coming from the research at INRIA. With its tools and know-how, Terriflux transforms incomplete and unreliable data into a material flow which describes a supply chain with precision. The result, the Sankey graph, becomes a decision-making support tool. Cereals, meat, milk, Savoie, Bourgogne. Whatever the supply chain or the territory, our analysis contributes to enhancing the knowledge about the chain. Supply the canteens with local products, build houses with local biosourced materials, or, at the end, what about your specific needs? What would you like to know about your supply chain? Terriflux will make it possible.